Welcome to the Hitchhiker's Guide to Calculus. My name's Kevin, and I'll be your guide to Chapter 1.8, Infinite Limits. To start off, let's take a look at this function we have drawn on the left. We'll call it f of x. It's got a couple vertical asymptotes in it. We can see one vertical asymptote over here at -2, and another one over here at +3. That's going to be our focus. We got a few questions over here on the right asking us what's happening around -2 and 3, and we'll start with the first limit as x approaches -2 from the left. Well, that's where our asymptote's happening, but we're going to jump on our graph a little bit to the left of -2, and we're approaching that asymptote, and as we get closer we can see that the y values go up and up, so our answer should be positive infinity. The limit as x approaches -2 from the right. Again, we jump on our function a little bit to the right of -2, and we approach that asymptote, and as we get closer, we're going down, down, down. So our limit should equal -infinity. Now, the overall limit as x approaches -2, since these two previous limits disagree with each other, one goes up, one goes down, the overall limit should be does not exist. Similar idea, let's just check what happens at our other asymptote. As x approaches 3 from the left, we jump on our function a little bit to the left of 3 and travel towards the asymptote. And as we get closer to the asymptote, our function is going down to -infinity. The limit as x approaches 3 from the right, we'll start a little bit to the right of the asymptote and travel to the left, and our function goes also down to -infinity. So this time, the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x, since our previous two answers both were going to the same direction, we can make a comprehensive conclusion that the overall limit should be -infinity. I hope this video provided some insight, but if you have any questions, don't forget to check out the link below for a free lesson with one of our expert tutors. To see more videos like this, click subscribe. Or to continue your journey through calculus, click the next video on your left.